Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify backlink quality with Moz Link Explorer, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Moz Link Explorer website. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create one. Once signed in, locate the search bar at the top of the home page. Enter the URL of the website or specific page you want to analyze. Click the green search button to begin. After a moment, you'll see several metrics related to the URL you entered. Focus on the domain authority score, which ranges from 1 to 100. A higher domain authority indicates a stronger site. Scroll down to the inbound links section to see links pointing to the analyzed URL. Click on inbound links to get a detailed view of each backlink. Examine the list of backlinks presented. Pay attention to the spam score next to each link. A lower spam score is preferred, as it indicates the link is less likely to be from a low-quality source. Next, check the domain authority of each referring domain as well. A higher domain authority for referring domains signifies a better quality backlink. Look for relevance in the backlinks. Are they related to your niche? Analyze the anchor text used for each link to ensure it appears natural and relevant. If you see toxic links, consider whether to disavow them in your SEO strategy. Take notes on quality backlinks that can enhance your content or outreach efforts. Finally, export the backlink data for further analysis if needed. By following these steps, you can effectively evaluate the quality of backlinks using Moz Link Explorer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.